Imagine turning your phone into a money-making machine, trading crypto from a beach, a cafe, or even your couch. Sounds like a dream? Not anymore. In this full crypto trading course for beginners, I'm not just going to teach you what Bitcoin or Binance is. I'm going to walk you through how pros actually make money in crypto, step by step, mistake by mistake, trade by trade. No fluff, no hype, just pure strategy, storytelling, and real beginner-friendly action. Let's dive in. This is Mr. How, and welcome to your crypto revolution. Chapter 1. The Crypto Origin Story. Before we talk about making money with crypto, you need to understand why crypto even exists. It all started during the 2008 financial crisis. Banks were collapsing, trust in the system was fading, and out of this chaos, a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto dropped a white paper online. That paper launched Bitcoin, the first decentralized digital currency. No banks, no borders, just code. Key takeaway. Crypto isn't just money. It's a rebellion. It's freedom. And you. You're about to become part of that revolution. What is crypto? Cryptocurrency is digital money built on blockchain technology. Think of the blockchain as a giant public ledger that no one can alter, not even the richest man on earth. Winton, a 4-year-old developer named Vitalik Buterin, created Ethereum because he believed crypto should do more than just send money. It should run entire applications without middlemen. Chapter 3. Setting up on Binance. Let's talk Binance, the biggest crypto exchange in the world. This is where 90% of beginners start. And sadly, where many also get stuck or scammed because they don't know what they're doing. Step by step, create a verified account. Secure it with 2FA. Add payment method. Understand the dashboard. Spot margin P2P. Tip: never keep all your funds on the exchange. Use a hardware wallet or secure software wallet. Crypto trading basics. This is where the real game begins. Trading. I remember my first trade. I bought Bitcoin at $17,000. It dropped to $16,400 in 10 minutes. My heart sank. But I held, and 3 days later, it was $19,000. Moral: timing matters, but patience matters more. Chapter 5. Reading charts like a pro. Charts aren't just lines. They're emotions. Fear, greed, panic, hope, all playing out in real time. Candlestick patterns. Doji, hammer, engulfing. Support and resistance trend lines, RSI and MACD. Tip: use the 200 EMA, exponential moving average, to know long-term trends. Pro traders live by it. Chapter 6. Risk management. Let me be brutally honest. If you skip this section, you will lose money. The 3 golden rules. Never trade more than you can afford to lose. Use stop loss. Position size should be based on account size and volatility. One of my students turned $500 into $2,200 in a month, but lost it all in one over-leveraged trade. Why? No stop loss. Lesson: protect your capital first. Profit comes later. Chapter 7. Emotions and psychology. Most people lose not because of charts, but because of their mind. FOMO, fear of missing out, revenge trading, greed versus discipline. A trader I mentored made $800 in 2 hours. Then he chased another trade, lost $1,000. What changed? His emotion. Tip: have a trading journal. Track every move, especially the dumb ones. Chapter 8. Mastering futures on Binance. Futures trading is powerful, but dangerous. Leverage, what 10x, 20x's means, long versus short, liquidation, margin balance, and risk meter.